Hey you, what does that shirt say, bro? Oh, this? It says vegan backwards. I've been vegan almost 5 years. Vegan? How does that work? Where do you get your protein from, bro? Funny you might ask. Let me show you.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
But all jokes aside, all plants have all the protein you need and all of the amino acids that the body needs. So I get my protein from fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes. And if you think about it, most of the world's largest animals are herbivores. That includes gorillas, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, elephants, giraffes. That's cute and all, bro, but plants have feelings, homie. Well, plants don't have a central nervous system, and there's no evidence that states that they have feelings or emotions. Plus, when's the last time you cut into an apple and heard it scream? I'll wait. Well, I heard that vegans aren't so perfect after all, and that they have blood on their hands, and small insects and rodents actually die due to plant farming. So what do you got to say about that? Yes, that is true. Vegans are not perfect. We just try to reduce harm as far as practically possible. And yes, it is true that some animals die due to the process of plant agriculture. But if you think about it, we kill over 50 billion land animals a year for food. And those animals are only eating plants. Therefore, if you are complaining about vegans eating plants, the animals that you are eating eat twice as much, if not way more, plants in a year. So unless you are hunting your own meat, you cannot really make this argument. Well, that's cool and all, but I heard that vegans are skinny, frail, and weak, and they don't get the critical nutrients that animal eaters get. So what do you got to say about that? Well, according to the American Dietetics Association, a properly planned vegan diet is suitable for all stages of life, including infancy, childhood, adolescence, and athletes. Well, that's cool and all, but bacon just tastes so good. Have a nice day. Oh, for fuck's sake. So I hope you guys enjoyed that skit as much as I had fun making it. I've always wanted to make a skit similar to that fashion, and I just never did it, so I'm glad I pulled the trigger on it. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who you think might find it funny. Let's get it out there. It's short and sweet and straight to the point, and it ends how most conversations with an anti-vegan would end, which is, but bacon though. So comment down below and let me know what you guys thought, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.